Welcome to this quick guide on how to enhance your meetings with Connect's new AI features. In this video, we'll walk you through how to enable these features, explain what they do, and show you how they can transform your meeting experience. Let's jump right in. Alright, so I have my Streams app pulled up right here on my desktop. Now, before we dive into each feature, you might notice this pop-up when you open Connect. It highlights the latest updates, including the new AI features we'll be covering today. So keep an eye on these. They're a quick way to stay informed about new tools and improvements. All right. Now let's explore these AI features and see how they can enhance your meeting experience. So now we're in Connect. Say you want to create a new meeting for your team. We'll click on the plus sign right here. Now, you can name the session if you'd like, though it's optional. So from here, you'll see several settings like enabling join without moderator, activating a waiting room, even adjusting screen share permissions. For now, we'll focus on these three options at the very bottom, which is enable captioning, enable meeting transcription, and enable meeting AI summary. All right. So first, let's talk about captioning. Now, this feature provides real-time captions during your meetings, displaying every spoken word as text on the screen. Now, this can be especially helpful for ensuring everyone stays on track, even if someone has technical issues, a noisy background, or misses a few words during the conversation. Another powerful feature is transcription. So say you're done with your meeting. You'll receive a complete transcript of everything that was said. So it's a really helpful way to revisit detailed conversations, verify key points, and keep a clear record of decisions. So whether you're sharing with others or following up on action items, the transcription feature ensures you have the full story. You even have the option to allow participants to request the transcript once the meeting is over. Now, next is the meeting summary. This feature delivers a concise yet comprehensive breakdown of the meeting. It highlights key discussion points, assigned tasks, challenges raised, and any pending action items. It also includes a sentiment score, offering insights into the overall tone and engagement during the session. The summary is designed to save time by focusing on the most important outcomes, making follow-ups and next steps easier to manage without needing to come through the entire transcript. Now, enabling these features is simple. When setting up a Connect session, scroll down to the options at the bottom. All right. So just a quick recap. We have captioning for real-time meeting captions. We have meeting transcription for a full word-for-word record of your session. And we have the meeting summary for a concise overview of key points, action items, and sentiment. All right, so these features are flexible. You don't need to turn them on for every session, but they're there available when you need them. All right, so again, to enable, just click the toggles on the options that best suit your meeting. So, hi everyone. Today, we're excited to showcase Connect's new AI transcription and summary features. Joining me are Greg and Sean, and we'll highlight how these tools use AI to enhance accessibility, simplify communication, and provide detailed meeting insights. So let's dive in. Now, let's start with the captions. As you can see, they appear at the bottom of the screen in real time, capturing everything we're saying. Now, these are perfect for accessibility or keeping everyone on the same page. Now, if you don't need captions, you can just click on this button, Hide Captions, and they disappear. If you want them back, just click on Show Captions, and they'll reappear instantly.
That's such a simple but effective way to keep everybody engaged, especially in larger meetings.
For sure. Now, next, let's check out the transcript feature. So I'll click on this Show Transcript button right here. So you can open this panel on the right, which displays the entire conversation in real time. You can even scroll through the transcript to find specific parts of the discussion as it updates in real time. And after the meeting, the system will email you the full transcript and a summary automatically.
That's incredibly useful for follow-ups or sharing meeting highlights with team members who couldn't join.
Yeah, so these AI-powered features, live captions, real-time transcripts, and automated summaries are designed to make your meetings more accessible, efficient, and easy to review.
Thanks for showing this, Yael. I think this will be a game changer for how we collaborate.
Absolutely. So now let's jump into the next section. After the session, Connect automatically processes the recording and sends an email summarizing all the key details. So let's take a look at the email. All right. So now this email includes two attached files, a meeting summary, which is right here. All right. Now the summary provides a detailed overview, including key discussion points, action items, assigned tasks, challenges, as well as a sentiment score. In this case, an 8 out of 10. And now the transcript, well, it captures every word from the session, allowing for easy review and, well, follow-ups. Now, these files make it simple to revisit discussions, share insights with teammates, or track progress on action items. With Connect, you're always prepared for your next steps. Pantera Networks is here to help you get the most out of every meeting. Explore these AI features in Connect and see the difference for yourself. If you need any help, our support team is always here for you. Thank you for watching.